Getting ready for the spring semester of Elect 74 at MtSAC, and I'm putting the Fubarino Mini kits together. They don't come with the header pins soldered in, but I wanted to put this video together quickly for any students who wanted to try to do this themselves. So the boards come, you get a board and a little bag that's got these header pins in it. So you get 2 of these header pins. The board spacing is 600 mils, and so you need, the way I build these, I put them in a breadboard, and I do 300 here, and then 200 over here off the center, off of the gutter. And then you can see these headers have a short side and a long side, and you want to put the long side into the breadboard so that the short ends come through. And then once they're in the breadboard, you can put a Fubarino on top of them, and then you get all the pins coming through, and then you solder the pins in the breadboard. And you need to do it pretty quickly because you don't want to heat up the breadboard and melt the plastic. So you just kind of want to tack. So here's a completed board where all the leads have been soldered. You want to be sure to check them closely to make sure there's no solder bridges. If you have solder bridges in the wrong place, they'll short the board out. And then I like to take them out with a pair of needle nose pliers. They fit under the board, and I could get some good leverage in there to not put a lot of pressure on the pins or the PCB. Just kind of slowly work it out. That way you're not damaging your headers or the PCB.